Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're having an issue with this software cannot be used when you're trying to launch the game, the EA Sports FC 26, either on the Steam or when you're trying to launch the game over here on the EA app. For example, let me show you. Whenever I try to launch the game, this is what happens. So whenever you are trying to launch the game, you'll be getting an issue that this software cannot be run because of DiscSoftLTD issue. So if that is the case, you're facing both on the Steam and on the EA app, this is what you have to do. First one, if the Daemon Tools light is running, you have to close it and go over here in the system tray. And if you find the Daemon Tools light, right click over here and go for exit. Then you have to go over here, search for the task manager, click on the task manager, and you have to expand this, and you can see we have various applications running here. And what you need to do is, if you find the the Daemon Tools is here, so right click and go for end the task, and you have to remove it as well. Now we need to dismiss it, we have to remove it, now we have to close it. Then we have to go over here, search for the device manager, click on the device manager, and we have to expand this. Now if you find the Daemon Tools light here, as you can see I have already uninstalled this or disabled it. So if you find it, right click under the storage controller, right click and go for disable it. Similarly, if you find the Daemon Tools light under the USB, that is Universal Series Bus Control, right click on this one and we have to disable it. After disabling, we have to close this. And if you have any kind of apps or any applications what you have to say, for example, auto hotkey, then DS4 Windows, whatever it is running, you have to close everything from the background. And also if you're having if you're having wallpaper engine 3D applications and the codec VLC codec is whatever it is, you just need to close everything. Then you just need to go back and launch the game. Most probably the first step, that is disabling and uninstalling the Daemon Tools Lite from the device manager, will be working most for you guys, and try this out. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.